Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited to share this video with you because I'm going to be sharing with you my hair care routine, or at least I'm going to be showing you the products that I use for my hair all the time. And this has been highly requested from you guys for a long time, and I've never got around to sharing like my actual hair care products and routine with you, but I am going to do that today, which I'm excited about. And also I'm going to be testing out a new hair straight from Bellissima, which looks so good, so I'm really excited for this video. So before I jump into it, if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell next to that so you get notified of all my future videos, and of course if you like and enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. So these are the straighteners that I'll be using from Bellissima. They are an Italian hair tool brand, and these are the Creative Infrared hair straighteners. There's a lot of benefits to these straighteners, which I'll tell you about in a minute, but before I get into that, I want to share with you my hair care products that I use, because you guys have been asking me for a long time, and I'm going to be real with you, like it is so minimum. Like I hardly use anything in my hair, and you'll probably be really surprised at the things that I do use, because they have actually been around for many years, and I've been using them since like I was in like school, like when I was like primary school, high school, something like that. I've been using for absolute years. Okay, so right now my hair is on day 3. I only wash it like once a week. So when I'm in the shower, I will use like a shower cap, I'll tie my hair up, and obviously give myself like a good wash in that, but I won't wash my hair every day. I only do that once a week just to, you know, keep the natural oils in my hair. Just it's so much better for the hair. And then on days where I wash my hair, these are the shampoo and conditioner that I use. They are from Tresemme. This is their Rich Moisture shampoo and conditioner. It's like the kind of like their, I think the original shampoo and conditioner from them, and this stuff is amazing. Like my hair is like quite thick and it's long, you know, I have a lot of hair, so with this shampoo and conditioner it gives me really good like lather, because I really need to get right up under, you know, my hair and my scalp. And a lot of shampoos, a lot of like high-end shampoos don't give me that like lather, so I can't get right under my hair because my hair is like more weighted, so I can't get right under and give my scalp a good kind of wash and clean. So a lot of the times a lot of high-end shampoos won't even work for me, whereas these drugstore ones, like very affordable from Tresemme, do amazing for my hair. Like they really like woof your hair right up. You can get right, you know, up under your hair and right into the scalp and really give it a good wash or good scrub, and it really cleans your hair, and it doesn't dry out your hair. It keeps it really still nice and moist. And also I love that you can smell it for days after you've washed it. Like honestly, I will still smell this in my hair after the week. Like, you know, when I go to wash it next, I can still smell it. It is so good. So this is like the best shampoo and conditioner like I have ever used. Like I've tried lots of high-end shampoos and conditioners and they just don't perform well for me. Like I have no like dye in my hair. I've never dyed my hair. My hair is all natural. Everything you see here is just pure natural. And I have used and tried lots of high-end shampoo, conditioners, also hair care products. Like you guys know from watching my channel a lot, like I get a lot of hair care stuff sent to me from like say Look Fantastic and things like that. I've tried a lot of different hair care products, and to be honest, they're good. I use them every so often in my hair just to give me like a nice pamper, you know, to my hair, but I don't actually use them all the time. You know, that's like maybe like once or twice a month I will use something different, like a hair mask or a scrub or something like that, something a little bit different. But this is like my all-time kind of like routine, is this shampoo and conditioner from Tresemme. That is a shampoo and conditioner that I use in my hair all the time, and I feel like it keeps my hair nice and healthy, shiny, sleek, and it also keeps like my hair looking really like youthful, if you know what I mean. Like it doesn't dull the hair, because there is some hair care brands out there where you put their products in your hair, they can really dull down your hair. So like this keeps like the colour in my hair even though my hair is natural. There are some shampoos and conditioners and even hair care products that can make your hair look darker or lighter, and these from Tresemme keep my hair looking like so natural, like the way it should be. That is a shampoo and conditioner that I use. Before I blow dry my hair, I like to use a heat protecting spray, and this one again is my favourite that I've been using for years. It's also from Tresemme. This is their Care and Protect Hair Dryer Protection Mist with UV Filter. So yeah, this is amazing to really like lock in the shine. It's good for protecting your hair. It also has a really nice smell to it as well. I've been using this since I was really young. Again, drugstore, Tresemme, just one of the greatest kind of like brands out there for hair. Now, I don't spray this in my hair really before I straighten it or curl it or anything. The reason for that is because obviously this is like a water product. So when you spray this in your hair, I feel like your hair, obviously your hair gets wet with it. So I feel like when you put like a hot tool, like a direct, like really hot plate onto your hair, or even like a wand curling wand onto your hair, it's going to like frazzle your hair and like really, it's going to really grip to that water and like frazzle your hair. So I don't do that. It's different with the hairdryer just because like when you're blow drying your hair, it kind of, there's no like metal or direct heat really. It kind of blows the hair, so you're not really directly putting like a hot plate onto your hair and like burning it. So that's the reason why I don't use this for straightening my hair on the daily, really, to be honest, because I just feel like that might not be that good for you. But in general, this is a really great product for before you blow dry your hair. Like, amazing. Like, I never ever like skip this when I blow dry my hair, and when I use this, my hair always looks the best. Like, because I've skipped it before, like a couple of times, you know, just maybe because I ran out of or something, and I see a difference in like not using it that time. But yeah, anyway, this is amazing. I've been using it for absolute years. I highly recommend that, and the shampoo conditioner from Tresemme. Now, if you're curious of the hairdryer that I use to blow dry my hair, I go between 3 different hairdryers only because I have 3 and I like all 3 of them. They're all great. They all have kind of different benefits to them, which I love. I go between the Dyson, the Zuvi Halo, and also the Heal Your Hair hairdryer. So they are my favourite. There's a lot of benefits to them. I've like talked about them before in my channel. I've done a dedicated video before on the Zuvi Halo, and I'm sure years and years ago I've done one on the Dyson, like many years ago now. They're all great hairdryers. I highly recommend them to you, like any one of them, if you're looking for a good hairdryer. Now these are what I want to get onto next and try out because they look amazing. I'm really excited about them. So like I said, they are from the brand Bellissima. They're an Italian hair tool brand, and these are the Creative Infrared. So this is what they look like here. They are black. The plates have keratin and ceramic in them, and also have infrared technology. So the infrared technology is basically all about gently heating your hair from the inside out, and also keeping like the natural moisture in your hair. And the keratin and ceramic care helps to protect your hair, also help with the vitality of your hair, the health of your hair, the shininess, the silkiness, the elasticity of your hair. So that's what that's basically all about. And these straighteners actually allows you to adjust the heat temperature. So there's like 11 different heat settings on it, so it goes from like 130 to 230, which is great for me because for my hair is very thick, and I really do need like a high temperature straightener to really straighten my hair out. Also, if you can see, like the straightener is slightly rounded as well, so you can actually use these to create like a wave in your hair, which I think is great. So it's like not like a really square or straight straightener. It's kind of rounded, which is good for helping to curl your hair. So yeah, I'm going to just get these on and like start straightening my hair and see how it goes. So there is like an on off switch here. There's also like the plus and minus button to adjust the temperature. Turn them on, and I'm hoping you can see there, but it says 150 already on it there. It's set to. Now I'm going to have to increase that for my hair type. I'm just pressing the little plus button here, which I'm hoping you guys will be able to see there, but it says like 180, 90, 200, 210. We'll go with 220 for now. Like there's only like one more option after that, but we'll go with that just now, just in case. And I don't know if you'll be able to see there, but inside here, this little part is lighting up red. That's like obviously the infrared technology. And the other side here is kind of like a little shiny mirror part, like right down the centre. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that there, but anyway. Okay, so I'm just slightly parted my hair. Now, as I said, I'm on day 3 of my hair. I haven't straightened it at all since I blow dried it 3 days ago. That's unusual for me because normally I will straighten my hair straight after I blow dried it, but I just gave myself a little break, and I wanted to try out these straighteners anyway. I've just tied up, like clipped up the top part of my hair. I've just split it into like 2 levels. So I'm going to do the lower half just now. So like I said, I'm at 220 on these, and I can feel the heat, you know, like off them. I feel like these are a lot hotter than my other straighteners that I have, which is good. Now normally I will pass through my hair a couple of times just because it's long, it's thick, and I really like my hair to be very, very straight, you know. I'm very particular with my hair, especially I wear it straight mostly all the time. Like, yeah, that's my preferred way to wear my hair, just because it's easier for me, because curling it can actually take a bit of time because my hair is like very like thick, heavy, kind of long. Curling it does take a time, you know what I mean, like it's a process, but I do it from time to time and I enjoy it. I do straighten it mostly because it's quicker and easier for me on the daily. So far it has straightened this really, really quickly and really well actually. I'm hoping my camera is wide enough to... I do need to get my hair cut, like my ends need a good trim, but like, yeah, you can see here hopefully that it is lovely and straight. Now sometimes with a straightener I will use like a comb like this one, or a slightly thinner one sometimes, but I have this one on hand today to show you. It really is iron out my hair really, really well. I always like to get my ends really straight. I'm very particular with the ends of my hair. I want to straighten these wee bits around my ears here because I tend to sit and like curl these. So that's how sometimes they can look a little curly, but I'll just straighten them out. And the ends are looking really nice and good as well, nice and straight. I do need a trim though because it's been like almost a year since my last haircut. So I'm going to do the top part of my hair now. So I hope you guys can see my hair well because I can't really fit it in to the camera much. I need a more wide angle lens for you guys to see, but I'm trying to show you because it is rather long, but hopefully you guys can see there. But it has a nice kind of sleekness and shine to it, which I'm loving. Like the straightener passed through my hair really well, like just glided through nicely. The temperature is great on it because yeah, it's really nice and hot. It just straightens it super quickly, and I don't feel like it's damaging on my hair because, you know, I can't hear any sizzling or anything, because sometimes if it's too hot of a straightener or if they're like rubbish plates, then you can hear that sizzlingness to it or the kind of crackliness, which is like, that's scary. But I don't hear anything of that from these straighteners, which is great, so I'm liking the plates. They have a swivel cord as well, which is great to make it like easier to rotate it. The best type of cord or wire to have on a straightener or any hair tool, because obviously it's just a lot easier for when you're moving it about for different styles, especially as well if you're going to curl it. You know, a swivel cord is amazing for that. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking right now. It is very sleek, smooth, and it has that shine to it, which is good. So now what I want to do is I actually want to try curling my hair with these straighteners. So like I said, they are like slightly rounded, as you can see, so that makes it easier to create like a wave in your hair. I'm just going to grab a little section of my hair here. I'll do the front portion right here so it's easier for you guys to see. So I'm just going to split this into a few little sections, and then I'm just going to twist it over and pull it down. So it's kind of like these kind of big, kind of looser waves. So I'm just going to go and grab another section and see how that turns out, and see like the end result of just this wee section. You can kind of keep twisting it slightly as you're pulling it down. You can see a nice kind of loose bouncy curl there. So I'm curling this at 230, like 230 degrees. Okay, so this is the waves that I have created. I feel like this one needs a little bit more. Okay, so this is the curls, or the waves at least, that I've created using the straightener. Obviously I need to like mess about with it more to get like the technique down, because like then I can make them look a lot better. But I like that it is actually really easy to create like a wave or a curl. So yeah, these look like decent waves. Like obviously I could perfect it a bit more, but I just wanted to quickly try it out for you guys. But I like that kind of natural loose wave type look there that I have. I think it's really pretty actually. Obviously there's a wee bit of straight hair coming through here which I haven't curled. I'll need to curl that. We have super like straight and sleek hair on this side, and then we have like this really natural kind of beachy slight wave in my hair, which I think is really pretty actually. Obviously the rest of my hair behind it is not curled, so if I pull it forward it's not going to look like the greatest. Of course you could run a comb through this and make them extra voluminous, but I actually quite like to keep them a little bit tight for my hair, because like my hair can fall quite quickly out of a curl, so usually if I brush through it it will kind of fall quicker, so I like to keep them tight and just let them naturally kind of like fall. So yeah, what do you think? Like this side nice and straight and sleek, and this side we have like a little bit of a wave going on, a little bit more beachy vibe on this side. I also forgot to show you as well, they actually have a little lock button which is great. So like this little button right here, I know I have upside down, but you guys get the gist here. You just push that through and it locks the straighteners like in place. Like I'll hang them up here so you can see, like it locks them in place. I'm loving the results that these straighteners are giving my hair. I love this sleek smooth side. This is just the way I wear my hair all the time, and I do love these naturally kind of undone loose beachy waves here. I'm going to obviously keep messing about with these straighteners to get the technique down, but I feel like they are really good straighteners anyway. Like even if you're a beginner curling your hair with a straightener, they'll be really easy to use, because like the the plates are really smooth, you know, and they have like the rounded edge on them here, which makes it easy for curling your hair and things. So I do think they're really easy for curling your hair. So yeah, I'm just going to leave my hair like this just now. Like I just wanted to test them out and see, you know, how I could straighten, how well they straighten my hair and how well, you know, they curl my hair. I'm just going to turn these off. A little off button right there, and a little LED panel will turn off, and a little red bit is off as well. So I will link the straighteners in the description box for you. I'm sure they're on like a sale just now, so if you want to snag them then it'll be a good time to pick them up. I think there's like something like £40 off them right now, or £30 or £40 off them right now, which is a good deal. So I will link them in the description box for you. Also I will link my hair care products. You guys are probably really surprised that this is what I use in my hair. I don't feel like my hair needs a lot, to be honest, because my hair isn't like dyed or anything. I feel like my hair is quite good. I just really need to kind of use like a basic shampoo conditioner. Like it's not basic, but you know, it's, there's not huge claims from them, you know, like a lot of other brands claims a million different things to your hair, like it's going to be a miracle for your hair. These just do what they say they're going to do, and a fairly reasonable price as well, which is great. And also this is really great. I use this all the time for when I blow dry my hair, so I'll also link that in the description box as well for you. You guys are probably so surprised because I have a lot of hair care stuff that have been sent over the years, and I have used and tried them all. I've done masks, I've done scrubs, I've done everything, you know, like that I've been sent. I've tried everything out, and I always seem to go back to these, which are pretty basic products, but they're just so good. Yeah guys, so that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing like obviously my hair care products. I kept putting off doing this video because I'm like, the stuff I use is like so basic, and I see other people's like hair care routines on YouTube, and there's like use all these a million different products and everything, you know, and I'm just like, I use like one or two products and that is it. But so I didn't know if you guys would be interested in seeing it, but I was like, why not, because like it is what I use in my hair, and these products could be really good for you as well. So I wanted to tell you about them, and yeah, here you are. Here is my hair care video, and I hope you enjoyed it, guys. And I also want to say thanks to Bellissima for sending over these straighteners. They're really great, loving them, and also they came at a really good time for me, because the straighteners I have had just broke, so these came at a really good time for me, and I'm really grateful for that. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, give it the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll speak to you all very soon in my next video. Bye.